when they won that set with Anggepoyo scoring 9 over 21 points. Now, wala siya dito, Kayla. So, magiging intriguing, no, kung sino pupuntahan dito ng UST. As you see, Sai Sagula go for that attack. Combination play, Red Jurado. The pickup from Celine Marsh.
Good for defense so far from NU.
High ball ulit galing kay Evangeline Sog. Pinulyar at the middle. Lams Lamina to Pat Salazar. Long rally immediately. Jurado the tip. And puts clip. Balingit puts it in.
Another player, Julia Balingit. It's a huge opportunity for her to showcase everything she's got in the absence.
Had stops with FEU and UP. Coach Shaq. Coach Ridge, I believe this is her first stint as a head coach in the collegiate ranks. Was a former coach of a professional team before. Hindi naman. Oh, Marga Altea sending that back to the friend zone.
NU, she exploded in game number 1, especially in the blocking department.
Sobrang ganda. Superb in that game number 1, Kayla. And her playmaking on full display right now, setting up Marga Altea as well as Julia Balingit on separate occasions. This time, it's XYZA! 6 na puntos ang kalamangan dito ng Uste. Nasa loob na si Sam Cantada. Agad nag...
A young rookie here. A promising rookie for NU. Right away. Immediate.
Oh! Marga Altea making it work.
But still managing to get that point.
Cantada na naman!
Again, such a powerful player. No blockers there. Altea was clearly late to get really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, when UST went to Japan, I think that's where they discovered her.
Una, wala silang kamalay-malay. Ay, Pinay pala to si Julia, no? And then they got hold of that. And now she's a prize recruit. And now Saisa.
Setter's box. She's still able to bring it to the target.
That is now up front. Marga Altea puts it in.
Quickly apologizes to Bombita.
Amepono to Sam Cantada. Off the block it goes. Cassie taking her time. The scramble by NU. Reverse set kay Bombita. Nice pick up by Sai Sagula. High ball papunta kay Julia Balingit. Julia Balingit scores!
What a way to end.
Glad to have you with us here on a Saturday afternoon. Escandar. Unintentional.
Good receive.
They reset their offense. They go to the back row. Pumapang sa net. Bumalik sa Uste. Coronado. Pasok yan para sa UST. Nice pass though by Cepada. But they haven't found... Arasan down the line. She puts it in. Cassie Carvalho. Sai Sagula puts it away.
Right. Good pass.
Balingit kept it alive. Chance for NU. Evangeline Sog. Oh, that. No, it hit the floor. Running attack by May. Alex Samata puts it in. So efficient. Evangeline Sog turned back.
Good hustle by NU.
UST reloads. Jurado sweeps it. Kay Bombita.
Nandito na nanonood sa Rizal Memorial. But of course, the game goes on and cannot let those things affect you.
Red Jurado. Tinuldukan. Durali na yun.
This game. Good pick up by Gula.
That time. They convert. Wow. Ado. Really wants this. Bombita. Sent back. One more time for Cantada. Net.
Good pass.
Evangeline Sog. Puts it in. Cassie. Balingit. Puts it in. Targeting Cantada. Alinsog for the right pin. Oh, it's in! Wow!
That line in the side of NU.
Abepono to Vange. No problem. Now up front. Gula puts it in. Babasa dalawa ang lamang. Interesting that Blessing Unekwe is the one playing here for UST as a middle blocker. Maaya.
Ball still alive here.
Nice save. Nice effort. NU. Combination play. Oh my goodness. Sam Cantada. My, oh my. Cassie to Reg. Jurado scores. Reg in Tigresses. But they're still not out of the woods yet. 18 all. Balingit sent back. The bump set from Cassie. Another block by NU. Yeah. What a good serve. Saisagula. Sorry, that was Evangeline. Evangeline Sog again. What a point.
The back.
Saisagula in the middle. Nabasa na doon ng depensa ng NU. Unekwe gives them a reprieve. Kay Bombita. Off the block. Yes, sir! Good serve. Blessing Unekwe sa gitna. Pasok yan. Abepono going to Vange. Oh, she is taking over the team captain. Game number 2.
Hoping to end things here.
Abepono setting up kay Bombita. Turned back. Was that Balingit?
How in within only 15 to 20 minutes, the girls will already see the result of this set. Therefore, they have to make every moment.
Mata continues to serve well. Pick up, Pono. Cantada, denied. And UST will get a point. Avril Braun, hinabol ni Vange. Free opportunity for UST. Julia Balingit, cross-court, Sugoy!
But Sam Cantada still the leading scorer for NU.
Oh! Kill block from Chamchamaya! Pepito pops it up. Gula will send it over. Chamcham. Deflected. Avril Braun, she scores. Alinsog puts it in.
Well, Cantada.
Pero sobrang steady din ng NU. Cantada will just send it over. Chance for UST to capitalize. Nice block by Alinsog. Jurado. Off balance, Bombita. Isa pang pagkakataon para sa Golden Tigresses. Reg goes long. Hardio keeps it alive. Evangeline Sog cross court. Cassie. Gula puts it in! Coach Reg has stuck to this unit. Oh, an ace! Evangeline Coronado. Is this the dagger? Not just yet. Balingit. serve. Oh, it's out! It's out! And you